Pixelhue makes it very easy so that we can do all the changes on the go itself. We highly recommend it, and it's a very reliable and a good product. My name is Harshana Silva. I am the Managing Director and Partner of Alliance Events. We operate in UAE for the last 10 years. We started with the normal standard switching systems, like very basic ones. Then we wanted something to advance work. So then we were looking into the usual products from Pixelhue. We saw the website, we saw their product. So we did a little bit of a comparison with the other existing brands in the market. And then we came to the conclusion that we should try them out. Actually, when we got the initial few units like P10 and P20 from the switching units, it was pretty impressive. Then, of course, the question came whether it's reliable. We ran it for about a month or two, and we were pretty happy, and it was pretty solid. It was doing the job what we wanted to do. The brand wise and the product wise, when you compare the performance of the product with the pricing that they offer, it was a really good factor for us to go for it. So far we have around 6 or 8 P10 units, and P20 also the same, and the Q8 we only invested in one to try it out. So along with the Q8 we bought the U5 Pro as well to try it out, and it works out to be a good product, and it takes our setup time down to like 15 to 20 minutes maximum to set up a big conference. There is a function protocol in the system called EDID protocol, which makes it very easy to configure and very easy to plug and play. And as well as the interface of the main U5 Pro, because it's very easy touch screen. You could easily identify, and it has 2 different screens and wider screens. So even visually it looks much more nicer and more pleasant to do your work, because it makes it a lot easier. And also another factor is that we could directly plug in our server to the unit, the Q8 unit especially. The technology and our industry is evolving, so we just need to find out ways to do things much faster and easier. So I would not say anything bad about the products that we have seen before, but something like this, who is completely innovative within a short period of time. Like for example, all the updates comes on like weekly or monthly basis, and we could actually speak to the technical team behind it and get the support of the Procom as well whenever we need it. As an interface that we use on most of the events now, we have started using them as the U5 Pro as the interface. It makes it very easy for us to scale because of the touch screen, as well as we have a good overview of what is happening. You could have multiple screens, you could have multiple layouts, so it makes it a lot easier. And once again, when it comes to efficiency and time, it's very quick for us to do changes, especially with the Pixelhue, the U5 Pro, as well as with the Pixelhue products. What makes it more easier is the customers are demanding a lot of changes. So basically, if you go into the traditionals, these kind of devices, it's basically once you set a preset, you cannot do any changes on the go. But Pixelhue makes it very easy so that we can do all the changes on the go itself. We've been using it for about now approximately around 6 months after we got the first unit. We've been moving it around a lot, and there was no complications, nothing. It's easy to move around. It comes in a very nice flight case, very steady from the manufacturer itself. As a brand, Pixelhue, we highly recommend it, and it's a very reliable and a good product at a good pricing and with a good sales support, especially from Procom, coming from Procom. I know Procom as a company about, I think at least about 10, 11, 12 years ago. The facilities that they give us as upcoming event companies and production companies, and they support us heavily with their technical teams, with their sales support. The products which comes from them are reliable, and it comes from with the warranty, and then all the products are checked before it leaves their warehouse.